Hi guys! Today I will explain how to add stickers in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and for adding stickers on your video, you don't have to go anywhere because in Clipchamp, you will see a lot of different stickers which are useful for your content. So, let's get started about it. The first thing is import your video and when it will be imported. Take your mouse cursor on your video and click on this plus icon, so it will be added to your timeline. The next thing is, how can you find stickers in Clipchamp? You will see multiple options in Clipchamp. But from here, take a look on the left side. You will see a lot of different options. And on the third number, you can find the option of Content Library. Just click on it. Now from here, you can see the option on the second number, Subscribe Stickers. But you don't have to tap on it because it will expand only the subscribe sticker. Scroll down and here you can find stickers. Click on it to expand it. Now here you will see all the collections of sticker in Clipchamp. And if I scroll down, you will see multiple stickers. Like this one is emojis. This one is for love and romance. And this one is word and reactions. Scroll down and find which suits you the most. And in order to apply any of these, click on a specific one. And then click on this plus icon. As you can see now it's importing. And once it will be imported, it will be added to your video. And you just have to adjust the size. Let me adjust the size of the sticker. Now if I take this timeline here, you can see the sticker has been added, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.